Here is my honest review of Free Soul's 4-in-1 magnesium glycerate and turmeric tablets. So I wanted something to help me sleep. And I've also heard that magnesium is so good for women in general, with their periods, etc. And I liked that this one had turmeric as well, as this is anti-inflammatory and so good for the health as well. So they come in tablets and they're very easy to swallow actually. Like the size might look a bit intimidating, but there's like a smoothness to them that makes them really easy to swallow. And you can also break them in two. And as you can see, they're yellow, and this is because of the turmeric. I definitely feel like I am sleeping better, and I'm wearing an Oura ring. So I can see that my sleep has improved, the efficiency of my sleep. So I take them around an hour before sleep. And here you can see everything it contains. So the serving is 3 tablets. So as you can see here, you have a big amount of each magnesium. And it also contains black pepper to help with the absorption of the turmeric, which is also a high amount here. So it's a very potent mix. And it's very high quality ingredients. That's why I love ordering from Free Soul. You always know it's going to be good quality. I was before using a magnesium spray on the body, but I found that sticky and it's time consuming. So I prefer just taking these tablets before bed to improve my sleep. And I also find it helps me be more regular in the morning to have a bowel movement. And it's very important for me that it's vegan, so plant-based, gluten-free since I don't eat gluten, and it's made in the UK, so nice and local. So yeah, if you're looking for a magnesium supplement that has 4 important magnesiums in one plus turmeric, so you don't have to buy that separately, which I was before, then I highly, highly recommend this one.